Hey everyone, welcome to SpaceX FrontPage. Excitement is building at SpaceX's Starbase facility in Boca Chica, Texas, as the company gears up for the 8th test flight of its massive Starship rocket. Leading up to Flight 8, SpaceX has been busy with a series of static fire tests. On February 9, 2025, they successfully fired up Booster 15's engines while keeping it anchored to the ground. This is a critical step, folks. It's like a dress rehearsal for the engines, making sure everything runs smoothly without the added complexity of an actual launch. The good news? Booster 15 passed with flying colors, which means it's ready to rock for the upcoming mission. Now we're on to the final preparations. Starship spacecraft number 34 will soon be vertically integrated with the Super Heavy booster. Starship 34 conducted a nearly full-minute firing test at the Massey's facility. This marks the first time a Starship has achieved such an extended firing duration. This process involves SpaceX's incredible mechanical arms, which have already proved their worth by catching boosters after previous flights. The launch is expected no earlier than February 24, 2025. Of course, this date could shift based on regulatory approvals, vehicle readiness, and weather conditions, all part of the adventure in space exploration. Why is Flight 8 so important? This test flight is a crucial milestone. It's going to provide invaluable data and insights that will shape the future of space travel. And looking even further ahead, NASA plans to use a modified Starship for their Artemis 3 mission, aiming for the next crewed moon landing in 2027. With SpaceX pushing the boundaries of what's possible, the world is eagerly watching. If you're as pumped as I am, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.